Get out the window. I got it recording already. Hold it up.
Okay, holding it up. Now, what am I seeing besides nothing?
Oh, well, we ain't got there yet. We're doing the Deer Run News. Apparently, there was a car chase in between. I take it Kenzie is involved, maybe Headland.
I wouldn't say anything till I found out the ifs, ands, and buts about it. Now, here's some other kind of cop or something coming up.
But one of the undercover cops has stopped the person that was allegedly running. What
You
else?
don't know until
I don't
you
know.
find out.
You say allegedly. You gotta say words like allegedly and supposedly and maybe, and we don't know yet for sure.
Yeah. Well, you definitely don't want to say nothing right now, or until you know what the heck's going on.
We just know it ain't up nowhere yet. But we're gonna keep it informed. We're gonna get this. Oh, okay, I know that.
Okay.
But there is a Kenzie cop car though. And there's several undercover cops. And they had the dogs coming out.
Maybe they got out of the car and ran.
Yeah, they probably ran into that neighborhood and that's why the dogs are coming out. Because I didn't see nobody in that car.
I don't see nothing but your face. So.
Hold it that way, little girl. My face. I ain't got my makeup on, girl. Man, I'm trying to show my ugly face, y'all.
No, it was all black and white. Wasn't no color in it. Where do you think you're going?
I don't know. I'm not paying attention. That's for one. Somebody gonna let me in. I know that for two.
I doubt it. For three. You're gonna have us another wreck here.
You gonna let? Really?
Of
Really?
course not.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you for letting me in. Appreciate your business. Alright, we're gonna get up close now.
Well, they ain't doing no good because I can't see nothing but you and your cigarette in your hands.
We gotta go
Like what? Oh, I just see the car next door now.
We ain't got up to it yet. Nana's being the cameraman. I'm teaching
No, all
her.
I'm seeing is the
Oh, we
cars
gotta
on
get over.
my left-hand side.
We gotta get over. Should be seeing stuff over here.
But I'm not. That's just it. All I'm seeing is things on this other side.
Really? Y'all couldn't let us go? Really? It's like
What
that?
did you do? It's showing nothing but stuff behind me. It's not showing a darn thing on that other side of the road.
What's that? Oh, because you got your... It's supposed to be showing over here. Here, point it this way.
I'm pointing, but I don't see a darn thing yet. Okay.
Alright, there's the undercover. There's the car that was running, the burgundy car. The SUV's the undercover. There's
Truck's an
another
undercover.
Kenzie Police is over here, close to the post office.
Can't see him
Came
yet.
out the passenger window.
Who came out the passenger window?
I'm listening. He ran. He ran out the car. He came out the passenger window.
I figured that.
I think he's in the woods.
That might be why they're blocking that off over there. I can't see
I
nothing.
can't hear him now with that truck.
And I can't see the cop car because of that
There's
truck.
the Kenzie Police over
Yeah, I
there.
know, but that fool's blocking everything.
Had a gun loud truck. I could hear the cops' conversation and everything. Yep, they down in the woods somewhere.
Yeah, you can't see nothing.
Just hit that stop button.
Where's stop?